Hello everyone, welcome back to the theme party world. Today's theme is very unique and interesting. As you can see, yes, it is a musical theme party. Actually, my elder one loves to play guitar, and past few days I was planning to make a guitar or music corner in his room. So I thought, why not gift him a music corner for his birthday? And then I thought I should go for this theme. Hope you all will like this idea and will try it out. Please subscribe and hit the like button, which gives me a lot of encouragement. Now this is the wall I selected for the music or guitar corner. These are the decal stickers which are available online. I'll provide the link in the description box, and I bought 6 of them and I started pasting them one after the other. So the idea was to place all the big guitars, highlight them, and to cover the wall with the little musical notes, different musical notes. So I covered the entire wall with the musical notes. For all the circled parts of the wall, I decided to put gramophone records, which I made using black chart paper and golden ready to stick paper. So here you can see how I made them, and this turned out really well and added texture to the wall. So this is how I created few gramophone records and covered that circled parts. I also covered the switchboard over there for the uniform look. So this is how the complete wall looks with music vibes all around. Now for the cake table, I am using one of my cabinets and covering it with white cloth. I secured it using safety pins. So the idea was to create piano keys on the table, cake table. So I used black chart paper for that. These are the vertical strips out of the black chart paper, which I used as piano keys on the cake table. I used glue dots for sticking them. This is very easy to stick and you can easily remove it after you are done. This completely changed the look. And a birthday party without cake table is really incomplete. So this is DIY cupcake stand, which I made using 2 black plates, which was with me, and the same golden ready to use paper, ready to stick and use paper. So this is how I created a gramophone record cupcake stand. What do you think about it? Please comment in the comment section below. Now time to decorate the cake table. Here you go. The cake for the rock star. I hope you like this unique theme, the musical theme party. Please comment in the comment section below, and please subscribe to my channel if you are new to my channel. Thank you for watching.